In this video, I'm going to use Claude Code to build a working password generator. This video is just to demonstrate how to use Claude Code for beginners. You're going to see an empty folder turn into a fully working password generator. So let's get into it. All right, so you can see here I've got Claude Code open and an empty folder. In the middle, we've got Claude Code CLI where you can communicate back and forth to Claude. For our first prompt, I'm just going to type build a simple password generator using HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. I'm going to instruct it to create index files, styles, and script.js. So what the most important part of this build is we're actually going to instruct Claude the rules behind our password generator. So you'll see here we've got a password length slider from 8 to 32 characters, options for uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, a generate password button, a copy password button, and we're going to make sure that it's a clean, dark interface. You'll see here, we've kept the instruction. Then we've told Claude to keep the code simple and beginner friendly. And then after Claude completes the files, make sure to explain how to run the app locally. So all we need to do here is make sure that we click on the / here, select our model. So if you're on the max plan, you have the option to choose Fable, Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku. We're just going to go for our default recommendation, which is Opus 4.8. It's pretty much overkill for what we're trying to do, but I'll just show you in it. Next, we just simply click Go, and we wait and watch as Claude builds our password generator. So you'll see that it's thinking through the problem. It's thought, and it said it's going to create 3 files for a simple dark theme password generator. We can see that it's already created the index.html file, and now it's begun work on, and then it's created the style.css. And finally, it's creating our script.js. As it goes, it's told us that it's created the files in the project. And it's explained, like our instructions, what each file does. So the index is the structure, length slider, 4 checkboxes, as well as the generate and copy buttons. The style.css is used for the dark theme centered card layout. And the script.js file is used for the generation logic, and it's going to be using crypto.getRandom values. So finally, you'll see it's told us how to run it locally. So the simplest way is to just open the file. So we'll just go ahead and open it with an integrated browser. And you'll see here, our new password generator, which has literally been created in a minute or less. Now let's go ahead and test it. You can see we've got a password up here, which I can copy. And if I decide to, I can go ahead and paste it. I can change the length. Let's make sure that it goes up to 32 and down to 8. Cool, so let's just settle on 20. We can decide whether it's uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols. So let's include all of them. Now let's go ahead and generate a new password. Look at that, perfect. Copy it, bam. That's how easy it is to now program and build your own apps, even without any coding experience. If you need to make changes, you simply go ahead and prompt Claude Code to build it for you. Now, if you enjoyed this short tutorial, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to build out a complete Claude how-to video guide where we increase the complexity over time until you become familiar with Claude Code. I'll see you in the next one.